our job is to make them understand what employability means. So it's just not a means of language learning for them. Of course, that's one of the basic things that they need to know. But also we make them employable. Unique thing what we do there, not many people do it. I am sure. I probably say that we are the pioneers of doing it. Not many people get their offer letters before completing a course. Probably a very intense journey, I would say. It is intense because it's probably 6 months long, 6 to 7 months long, where they don't just learn the language, I would say, which we probably might as well say at some places it's a German language or any other language, but they also learn the German culture, the German way of living, what are the German food habits, because that's what they'll be doing for the rest of their life when they land in Germany. They get to interact with their future employers a lot, which happens on a very regular basis. Also, our CEO, Ms. Aditi Banerjee, she keeps a regular interaction with all the candidates from different programs, whether it's construction, whether it's meat processing, whether it's nursing, just to give them an update from the client side as to what is the client expected from them, how are the things progressing. And then, of course, on the universal side of things, we have regular interactions with all the clients. Language. It's also becoming, it's probably also about becoming more employable. How would you shape up your career once you land in Germany? How do you talk to an employer? How do you talk to your colleague? How do you talk to your supervisor?